previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 10, part 1. Today, we are going to start part 2. So, let's begin. Students, open your maths NCERT book, page number 134. So, let us read together. What was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? So, students, what was the length of the smallest pencil that you have used? The length of the smallest pencil that I have used is 2 centimeter. I cannot use pencil less than 2 centimeter. How long is this pencil? Guess how much centimeter? In your book you can see this blue color pencil drawn. You have to guess that how long is this pencil. So I guess that this pencil is 3 centimeter long. Measure it using a scale. How good is your guess? Now take out your scale and measure this pencil and see that how good is your guess. Next, we can see that Anju used a lens to make it look bigger. So here Anju has used a lens to make it look bigger. She says it is more than 3 centimeter. This pencil is more than 3 centimeter. So now let us do this question through screen. So here you can see scale. This is the starting point and here this is the ending point, that is 10 centimeter. The smaller lines you can see, these are millimeter. Start counting after the longer line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As soon as 10 comes, then another number comes here, like 1, then 2. So that is centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of this pencil. So this is from 0 till 3 centimeter, it is here. Then count after 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 3 centimeter, 6 millimeter. Or we can say 3.6 centimeter. Next question, what is the length of this pencil in millimeter and what is its length in centimeters? So students, start counting after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in millimeter it is 6 mm. So the length of the given pencil is 6 millimeter and its length in centimeter is, convert this millimeter into centimeter. We will divide by 10. So 6 upon 10 centimeter. So in decimals it will be 0.6 centimeter. So now let us do conversions. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So I hope students now you all know how to convert fractions into decimals. So denominator you have only 1 0. So after decimal there will be only 1 digit. That is 0.1 centimeter. Question. Express a centimeter using decimals. A bar 5 millimeter. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. First, let us write the formula. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 5 millimeter is equal to 5 upon 10 centimeter. So in decimals it will be 0.5 centimeter. B bar 164 millimeter. First write the formula. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 164 millimeter is equal to 164 divided by 10 centimeter. So before one digit will place decimal point. So it will be 16.4 centimeter. Because in denominator only 10 is there. So after decimal there will be only 1 digit. C bar 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. Centimeter will remain same. We will convert millimeter into centimeter. So let us do this. 9 centimeter plus 8 upon 10 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter. So the answer is 9.8 centimeter. So I hope students now you are able to convert millimeter into centimeter. Next, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. That is equal to 0.01 meter. So students, let us do question number 2. Express as meter using decimals. A bar 27 centimeter. First let us write the formula. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 27 centimeter is equal to 27 upon 100 meter. So in denominator there are 2 zeros. So after decimal there should be 2 digits. So the answer is 0.27 meter. B bar 419 centimeter. Write the formula. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 419 centimeter is equal to 419 upon 100 meter. So denominator there are 2 zeros. So before 2 digits we will place a decimal point. So 4.19 meter. C bar 9 meter 7 centimeter. Meter will remain as it is. We'll convert centimeter into meter. So right here 9 meter plus 7 upon 100 meter. 9 meter plus, so after decimal there should be 2 digits. So we'll place 1 0, 0.07. So here we'll write 0.07 meter. So the answer is 9.07 meter. So I hope students now you are able to convert centimeter into meter. Next, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So denominator there are 3 zeros. So after decimal there will be 3 digits. 0.001 kilometer. Now question number 3. Express as kilometer using decimals. A bar 6 meter. So first let us write the formula. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then 6 meter is equal to 6 upon 1000 kilometer. So denominator there are 3 zeros. So after decimal we have to write 3 digits. So we will place here 2 zeros in front of 6. 0.006 kilometer. So after decimal now there are 3 digits. B bar 8888 meter. So let us write the formula. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then 8888 meter. So we have to divide this by 1000. So if we divide this by 1000, so 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits, we have to place decimal point. So the answer is 8.888 kilometer. Now C bar 70 kilometer, 5 meter. Kilometer will remain as it is. We will convert meter into kilometer. Let us do this. 70 kilometer plus 5 upon 1000 kilometer. 70 kilometer plus 0.005 kilometer. So students, add this. How you will add? 70.000 then 0.005. It is very easy. It is coming 70.005 kilometer. So whenever you have to add 70, so you can place point then 000. So answer is coming 70.005 kilometer. I hope students now you are able to convert meter into kilometer. Next topic, frogs. Open your book page number 135. Have you seen frogs? Have you seen frogs? Yes, I have seen frogs. Where? In ponds, rivers, sea, etc. How many different types of frogs have you seen? I have seen different types of frogs. Are all the frogs of same length? No. All the frogs are of different length. Here are two interesting examples. So here you can see two interesting examples. One is gold frog, another is bullfrog. Gold frog is the smallest frog in the world and its length is 0.9 centimeter. It is about 9 millimeter. And bullfrog is the biggest frog in the world and its length is 30.5 centimeter. So now the question is, what does 0.9 centimeter mean? It is the same as dash millimeter. If you convert 0.9 centimeter into millimeter, it will be 9 millimeter. We can also say this is 9/10 of a centimeter. Is it, students? Yes, we can say 9 upon 10 if you divide, it will be 0.9 centimeter. So, 30.5 centimeter is the same as 30 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Then, about how many of the big frogs will fit on the 1 centimeter scale? So, students, you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, the length of big frog was given 30.5 centimeter. So, 3 big frogs will fit on scale. Next, if they sit in a straight line, about how many of the small frogs will cover 1 meter? So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and the length of the small frog is given 0.9 centimeter. So, you can say 100 divided by 0.9. 100 divided by 0.9. So, it will be approx 111. So, you can say if small frogs sit in a straight line, 111 frogs will cover 1 meter. So, now let us do practice time through screen. So, practice time question number 1. Find the length of the nail. So, it is 2 centimeter and how much millimeter? So, students start counting after 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 2 centimeter and 9 millimeter or 2.9 centimeter. Question number 2. Find the length of this lady finger in centimeter and millimeter. Also write it as centimeter. So students, here you can see this lady finger is not been started from 0. It has been started from 1 centimeter till 9.3 centimeter. So we'll subtract 9.3 centimeter minus 1 centimeter. So the length of the lady finger is 8 centimeter and 3 millimeter. And in centimeter, 8.3 centimeter. Now question number 3. Using the scale on this page, find the difference in length between candle 1 and candle 3. So students, first of all, let me show you this is candle 1 and this is flame 1. This is candle 2 and flame 2. This is candle 3 and flame 3. You have to take your scale and measure the length in centimeter and millimeter. So take your scale and measure the length of candle 1. So here I took the scale and measure the length in centimeter and millimeter of candle 1. It is coming 2.9 centimeter and in millimeter and centimeter 2 centimeter and 9 millimeter. Now find the length of flame 1. It is 1.3 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter and 3 millimeter. So students, similarly you have to find out the length of candle 2 and flame 2 and candle 3 and flame 3. So these two parts are your homework. Now let us see what are like decimals and unlike decimals. As we have done in chapter number 4, different types of fractions. I hope you all remember like fraction and unlike fraction. Fractions with same denominators are called like fraction. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. So now, what are like decimals? Decimals with same number of decimal places are called like decimal. Example, here you can see 0.2, 3.5, 17.5. They are like decimal, each with one decimal place. Here you can see after decimal point there is one digit, here also one digit and here also one digit. So they are like decimals. Another example, 5.34, 2.04, 0.12. They are like decimal. Each of them have two decimal places. Now, what are unlike decimals? Decimals with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Example, here you can see 2.6. After decimal there is one digit. Another 12.64. After decimal there is two digits. So here after decimal 3 digits. So they are unlike decimal as they have different number of decimal places. So now what are equivalent decimals? Equivalent decimals does not change the value of the decimal number. Example, 1.4 is same as 1.40. If you add 0 to the right of the number, the value will remain same. So they are equivalent decimals. Another example, 2.72 is same as 2.720. If you add 0 to the right side of the number, both will be same. So they are known as equivalent decimals. I hope students, three types of decimals are clear: like decimal, unlike decimal and equivalent decimal. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 10, part 2 completed. Practice these questions at home. Now we'll continue in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.